Hello aspirants, welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. NCERT ഹിസ്റ്ററി ക്ലാസ് 6th ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. ചാപ്റ്റർ ഫസ്റ്റ് നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. വാട്ട്, വേർ, ഹൗ ആൻഡ് വെൻ. So today's class is all about chapter 2nd on the trail of the earliest people. 2 million years ago, people used to be hunter and gatherer. They used to hunt wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, etc. So the first point is hunting and gathering, and എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് അവർ ഹണ്ട് ചെയ്തത് എന്നുള്ളത് സെക്കൻഡ് പോയിന്റ്. To hunt animals or catch fish and birds, people need to be alert, quick, and have lots of presence of mind. To collect plant produce, you need to find out which plants or parts of plants are edible, that is, can be eaten, as many can be poisonous. So third point is hunting and catching of fish and birds, and also they need to be alert, quick, and have to be presence of mind, and they need to be aware of the information about the plants which are edible and non-edible. And the fourth point is people also needed to find out about the seasons for the fruits is ripen. There are certain reasons for hunter-gatherer to move from one place to other. The reasons are, if they had stayed at one place for a long time, they would have eaten all the available plant and animal resources. So they would have had to go elsewhere in search of food. Because staying in one place for a long time will leads to the lack of food and availability, right? So that is the first point. Second point is, for hunting, animals needs to follow them. People may have moved from season to season in search of different kinds of plants. People living on their banks would have had to go in search of water during the dry seasons, that is winter and summer. We get the knowledge of their, that is ancient people, way of living through the object found, like that of stone tools, which is supposed to be used for cutting meat and bone, etc. Next point, people tried to find places where good quality stone was easily available. Places where stone was found and where people made tools are known as factory sites. So this point is pretty important that what is called factory sites. So the places where stones were found and where people made tools are known as factory sites. With the passing of time, grasslands also developed, and number of animals like deer, antelope, goat, and sheep, etc. also increased. Those who hunt these animals learn their food habits and different breeding seasons. So they all know about the hunting seasons and the breeding seasons, different type of breeding seasons. It is likely that it helped people to start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. Fishing also became important. So they are all saying about the hunting, catching, gathering, and about the different seasons, so and so. And several grain-bearing grasses, including wheat, barley, and rice, grew naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. Men, women, and children probably collected these grains as food and learned where they grew and when they ripened. Many of the caves in which these early people lived have paintings on the walls. These paintings shows wild animals drawn with great accuracy and skill. Ancient tools, cave paintings, various caves have been found at various places in the world and in India. So that is all about chapter 2. So I plan to take or upload each chapter in each video. So this is a small chapter on the trail of the earliest people. So this is all about chapter 2nd. Next is chapter 3, from gathering to growing food. I will upload it in fresh video. Until then, I am signing off. Thank you.